Poland's foreign minister has taught India's top diplomat a pointed lesson in diplomacy and statecraft after India raised objections over Poland's engagement with Pakistan. The diplomatic exchange unfolded after Indian Foreign Minister Jaishankar publicly expressed concern over Polish Foreign Minister Władysławski's recent visit to Islamabad, where Pakistan and Poland agreed to deepen political and economic cooperation. Jaishankar, speaking publicly, urged Poland to adopt what he termed zero tolerance for terrorism, a comment widely seen as a direct reference to Sikorski's October 2025 visit to Pakistan, during which the two countries pledged to transform their ties into a comprehensive partnership. However, Sikorski responded with calm but pointed diplomacy, making it clear that sovereign nations retain the right to engage with their regional partners. After his meeting with Jaishankar in New Delhi, Sikorski said both countries shared concerns about terrorism but emphasized that regional relationships come with both opportunities and challenges. In a subtle but significant reminder of diplomatic balance, the Polish foreign minister also raised Poland's concern over India's own foreign policy choices, specifically India's participation in the Zapad 2025 military exercises with Russia and Belarus held close to NATO borders. Sikorski described the drills as threatening, signaling that concerns over security are not one-sided. The exchange highlighted a contrast in diplomatic tone. While India questioned Poland's outreach to Pakistan, Poland responded by underlying consistency, reciprocity, and the mutual respect in international relations. Jaishankar also objected to Sikorski's earlier remarks on India's import of Russian oil, calling the selective criticism of India unfair and unjustified. Yet Poland maintained that its concerns were rooted in broader European security considerations. The episode marks a rare moment of public friction between India and Poland, revealing how diplomacy is increasingly shaped by competing security interests, strategic partnerships, and differing interpretations of statecraft.